Do you want to see how I made this? Keep watching. Let's get started. Step 1. Paint the wood with white acrylic primer. Step 2. Wait until it dries. Third step. Now let's prepare the parts of our clock: hours, minutes, and second hand. Step 4. Making hearts from air drying clay. We will wait until it dries. And our hearts are ready to be painted. Our wood also dried up. Step 5. Let's start painting our hearts.